Let me show you how to open a DBS Digibank account without going to the branch. Now this is a quite simple process and can be easily done online through the help of the Digibank application. So make sure you download the application and simply head over to sign up for Digibank. Now if you're trying to create an account, you need to head over to the I'm new to DBS POSP. And if you are a citizen of Singapore, you can simply use your Singpass. If you're not a citizen of Singapore, you can head over to the second option, which is continue without, and then tap on sign up manually. So you need your identification document, your proof of address, and a passport if you are a foreigner. So make sure you select your identity type and then select your nationality as well. And then furthermore, you just need to provide the details that you have selected. So for example, if you selected the Singapore PR option or the Malaysian IC option, depending upon your options, depending upon what you have, you just need to take a picture of it and then wait for your approval, which normally takes 2 to 3 business days. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.